The Dexway Authoring Tool is a tool that allows you to extend the functionality of language courses, allowing you to access all versions of the Dexway courses and all the resources they contain, videos, images, vocabulary, exercises, etc. This tool also allows you to make changes to the syllabus and the exercises of the courses to your needs, expand or modify them as you wish, customize the Dexway courses with your own material, and even create tailor-made courses from the Dexway resource library or your own resources. To access the authoring tool, you must go to the following URL address, authoring.dexway.com, from an internet browser, entering the user data and the password provided to access this tool. You can also access the authoring tool from the environment of your platform or LMS. In the platform environment, between the sections that appear on the left side, we can see Dexway Authoring Tool. By clicking on this option, we can register inside the authoring tool only if the user we are using to access the platform does not already have an existing username in the authoring tool, or enter the data to access the tool if you already have an existing username in the authoring tool. If you register as a new user, you must enter the data of the new account, user ID, and password. Keep in mind that this data must be different from the administrator account you are using to access the platform, since it will be the access data for the authoring tool. Once identified, either with the access data we already have or by registering as a new user, the two accounts used, the platform and the authoring tool, will be linked, so that on the following occasions, when accessing the Dexway authoring tool from the platform, it will be accessed directly without having to enter the user data or password of the tool.